You don't need more leads right now. Here's why. You keep asking for more leads. But what happened to the last 100? This is where most B2B businesses lose money. Not in lead generation, but what happens next. Leads are scattered, follow-ups are missed, and there is no accountability. You're not managing sales, you're managing chaos. And the problem is, you think this will be solved by getting more leads. It's not so. Kylas fixes this leak. It gives you a clear view of rep-wise ownership, automated follow-up tracking, a clear view of deals, leads, and WhatsApp conversations. Plus, its lead scoring rule allows you to prioritize your leads. No guesswork, just visibility. More leads won't help if you don't already know what is happening with the ones you have. Plug the gap and then scale.